Okay guys, it's Talladega weekend. I got my Cuisine on my Colorado Kool-Aid. Chrissy's getting me set up. Let y'all remember now, it's gonna be Cinco de Mayo come next weekend. And we sure enough gonna throw down. And she cooked me some of these tacos. I'm gonna add a little onion to each one. If y'all noticed, I kind of punched me a little hole in here to make room for everything.
I overstuffed them, as usual.
And that's what I like. I'm gonna put a little cilantro on there. Cause man, I love this stuff. Whoop.
I can't stand it.
Boy, it smells good, guys. I'm here to tell you. You can see all that cheesy goodness on there. He's gonna be on point. Now, guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of this iguana mean green sauce. Now, this stuff is hot, and when I say hot, it's hotter than a goat's ass and a 40-acre field of ghost peppers. Man, it is so good. It's one of them pains you love. It burns. So good. Okay, guys, I know I don't always eat healthy, and I definitely don't drink healthy. But they say the best thing for you to do is have a well-balanced diet. Let me tell you something. You can't get no more balanced than a taco in each hand. Look here. That's the scales of justice right there. All right, I'm fixing to tear into one of these tacos. I'm going to put one of them down. Just by the smell of it, I mean, this is delicious. I mean, this is heaven right here. All right, here we go.
Is it good?
Guys, I have never steered you wrong, and I never will. I'm here to tell you, that right there, that's what they serve in heaven on your birthday. That is delicious. My goodness. Mm. All right, guys, I tore that taco up. It didn't have a chance. But I'm gonna drink one for Team Penske for this weekend for Talladega, and also Chase Elliott because he's a Georgia boy. And also, I want to give a big old holler out to Big Lou, because Big Lou took up for me for being a fat ass. And thank you very much, sir. Cheers to you.